This guy right here lost his entire life savings to Forex.
Today I've been seeing a lot of people online trying to make money, trying to come online, make money with their smartphone, but most people are just scared of scam or whatever, or fear or doubt. So if you are new on this online space and you want to make good amount of money with your smartphone, these are three online businesses that pay, but you should not start as a beginner. Number one is Forex and crypto. Do not start Forex or crypto if you don't have a capital, a huge capital, or if you don't have a business backing you up. Do not start Forex or crypto because you will cry. Number two is investing. Investing in all these schemes that will invest your money, will give you 50%, your money will increase. If you don't have business or anything that is bringing in income steady, do not start these businesses. You can see likes of Cybex, 2025, a lot of people invested in it and got busted and start crying. I see dropshipping. Dropshipping is a very good business, but you should have a certain amount of money to start dropshipping. And as a beginner who does not have a lot of money, or maybe you are working a 9 to 5 job, or you are still staying with your parents, you don't have to start on all this business because they require huge capital to start with. You can watch this video. Let me show you a video of this guy that invested in Forex. Just watch this video.
I'm already stranded in this life. I'm already stranded. I'm already stranded in life. Forex trading has finally brought me into the forest, which I could never believe. I've sold all my properties, all to invest
Forex. He invested
into Forex trading.
Lost it all. Now he's
Sold
crying
my
because he
properties,
did not
sold
make
so
his
many
research.
things.
He did not know the nitty-gritty of Forex. So as a beginner, I'll advise you to start with something little with little or no investment. For example, affiliate marketing. If you are a beginner and want to make money online, or you are a 9 to 5 worker, you need a side hustle to add to your monthly income. Affiliate marketing is the safest you can start. Or ebook. If you can put your skill into an ebook, it's also good. But I suggest affiliate marketing is not the safest because the products you promote to customers are not yours. You don't have to worry about making products, worry about customers. You just have to take people's products and show it to people who need it. So I advise you, before the year runs out and you lose all your money to any investing or crypto, or you're jumping to get rich quick, start with affiliate marketing. Though affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme, but it's a guaranteed way that you make money faster. So if you are new to this online space and you are willing to make money from 100 to 200k using your smartphone, pressing your phone 2 to 3 hours a day, comment ready in the comment section and I'll show you how you can start, and I'll show you the right circle you have to get into. So comment ready now.